So for the handlebar assembly, basically make sure the bike is not moving, because moving the fork, moving the bike, you might lift the frame from the fork. So make sure everything is sitting. Otherwise, if this is offset or it's on the same spot, just lift the fork from here and make sure all the washers are sitting nice and tight. So what you do here is basically insert the stem, or you can actually, you want to open up the lever from here prior inserting. You gotta push here first and then push here, and then you can open up the lever. Let me make this clear again. So if you want to open up the lever, if you push this, you can't push it, like it's stuck. So push down here, and then push here, open up the lever, and move the handlebar forward, and then insert. Make sure you insert all the way down. So now it's all good here. Once you insert, take a 5mm Allen key and start tightening that bolt here. So you tighten all the way to the end. Make sure there's no gap here. So make sure everything is sitting nice. Keep tightening all the way until it's tight. Not super tight, but it has to be tight. Now it's tight. If it's super tight, you can't move the steering, or the handlebar. So you have to make it just to a level where it's moving well. After you tighten that bolt, you gotta align the stem with the front wheel. So you can basically close this, and then tighten the two bolts on the side. That's after you align the handlebar with the wheel. Now we're done here, almost done. If you wanna, of course, adjust the handlebar, you open up the lever all the way up, all the way. This is how you adjust. So you can rotate like this, and you can adjust like this. If you can't rotate or feel it's kind of stiff, you can move this. It's basically that bolt here. So if you tighten that bolt, it's gonna become stiff. You can't move it. See, even if you open up the lever, it can move. So you have to loosen that bolt a bit. Make sure you loosen to a degree where it can move. And then once it's closed, make sure it's not moving. Like, try your best, see if it should be really stiff. Otherwise, if it's loose, you have to tighten that bolt again. And we're all good. That's it.